Hi there, friends. Welcome back to Bugs, Buzz and Beyond. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of stink bugs. But beware, these little critters have a defense mechanism that might make you hold your nose. And stick around until the end, because we'll have some fun trivia questions based on today's video. Let's see how much you've learned. Stink bugs, often referred to as shield bugs due to their distinctive shield-like body shape, are an incredibly diverse group of insects found almost everywhere on the planet. These remarkable creatures have adapted to thrive in gardens, forests, and agricultural fields, making them a familiar sight to many. With a variety of colors and patterns that can range from muted greens and browns to vibrant reds and yellows, stink bugs are a striking example of nature's creativity. Yet, despite their visually appealing appearance, what truly sets them apart is their unusual and highly effective defense mechanism, which has earned them their stinky reputation. When a stink bug perceives a threat or feels endangered, it doesn't rely on speed or camouflage. Instead, it unleashes its most infamous weapon, a foul-smelling chemical spray. This stench is produced by specialized glands located on the abdomen, and it acts as an incredibly effective deterrent for predators. Creatures such as birds, reptiles, and even other insects quickly learn to avoid stink bugs after experiencing this noxious surprise. The chemical not only discourages immediate threats, but also leaves a lasting impression on predators, teaching them to steer clear of stink bugs in the future. It's a remarkable survival strategy that highlights the ingenuity of nature. Let's delve deeper into what makes the stink bug's odor so distinct and unforgettable. The smell comes from a potent mixture of chemical compounds, primarily aldehydes and hydrocarbons, which are harmless to humans but incredibly off-putting to predators. These compounds create a pungent and lingering odor that can cling to surfaces and persist in the environment long after the stink bug has left the scene. For predators, this overwhelming stench is enough to ruin their appetite and ensure they think twice before targeting another stink bug. Imagine being a bird expecting a tasty snack, only to be met with a stench that you can't escape. It's no wonder stink bugs rarely have to fend off the same predator twice. While the stink bug's chemical arsenal is best known for its defensive capabilities, it also serves other intriguing purposes. For example, some stink bugs release these odorous chemicals as a means of communication. When faced with danger, a stink bug might emit specific compounds to warn others in the area, creating a coordinated response to the threat. Similarly, during mating season, certain species use these chemical signals to attract potential partners. This dual functionality showcases how stink bugs have evolved to make the most of their natural abilities, using their chemical secretions to ensure both survival and reproduction. Although stink bugs are often remembered for their unpleasant odor, they also play important and sometimes controversial roles within their ecosystems. By feeding on plants and vegetation, they help regulate plant populations and contribute to the balance of their habitats. On the other hand, certain species, like the brown marmorated stink bug, are notorious agricultural pests that can cause significant damage to crops and fruits, leading to economic losses for farmers. Despite their mixed reputation, stink bugs remain a fascinating example of how even the smallest creatures can have a big impact on the world around them. Now, it's time to see how much you've learned from today's episode. We've got 3 fun trivia questions coming up. Ready? Let's start. Question number 1. What family do stink bugs belong to? Correct answer, B. Pentatomidae. Stink bugs are part of the Pentatomidae family, which includes over 5,000 species worldwide. The name Pentatomidae is derived from the Greek word penta for 5, referring to the 5-segmented antennae characteristic of this family. This unique anatomical feature not only sets them apart from other insect families, but also plays an important role in how they sense their environment. With these highly sensitive antennae, stink bugs can detect changes in their surroundings, making them better equipped to evade predators. Question number 2. What compounds are responsible for the stink bug's smell? The correct answer is C. Aldehydes and hydrocarbons. The infamous stink produced by stink bugs comes from a combination of aldehydes and hydrocarbons. These chemical compounds are harmless to humans but incredibly potent in repelling predators. Aldehydes contribute a sharp, pungent scent, while hydrocarbons enhance the longevity of the odor. Together, they form a powerful deterrent that teaches predators to associate stink bugs with an unpleasant experience. This clever use of chemistry ensures the stink bug's survival in the wild, where avoiding predation is a daily challenge. Question number 3. What is one secondary use of stink bug chemicals? The correct answer is B. Communication. Some stink bugs release their chemical secretions to communicate with others of their kind. For instance, during times of danger, a stink bug may emit specific compounds to alert nearby bugs, creating a collective response to threats. Similarly, during the mating season, certain stink bugs use pheromone-like chemicals to attract potential partners. These multi-purpose secretions highlight the evolutionary sophistication of stink bugs as they rely on their chemical arsenal not just for defense, but also for social interactions, crucial to their survival and reproduction. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.